to build equity faster in your property? Here's a unique way on how you can achieve this. If you bought a property a while ago, most likely, especially if you were a first-time home buyer, you bought it with 5% down. But you know that with 20% equity obtained in your property, you can take away the PMI, private mortgage insurance, off your monthly payment. So what you gotta do is go into Zillow and find out what are the most recent sales in your area to see if you've already obtained the 20%. Or if you are in the state of Florida, just DM me your property address and I'll be glad to send you a comparable market analysis for free, no strings attached, so you can see what your home is worth in today's market. But for the sake of the example, let's say you have a $400,000 loan amount. If your property has gone up to $500,000 in value, you already obtained the 20% equity. You can call your bank and tell them that you have the 20% in equity and you want to take away the PMI off your monthly payment. The bank is going to verify this information first, of course, but once it's confirmed, they're going to take away that PMI, which means you could be saving potentially anywhere from $100 to $300 a month off your mortgage, depending on what your loan amount is. But grab this amount of money that you're saving and put it right back into the principal payment every month. That way you bring down your mortgage payment and you pay off the loan faster, building equity faster as well on your home, saving interest and time. So this is a unique way you can do this today and you're not dishing more money out of pocket. But if you have any other questions, don't hesitate to reach out. My name is Bryan Roach. You're a real estate agent here in Miami, Florida, and I'll see you next time.